Welcome to Linguaphile. Please subscribe to my channel. English Basic Reading, Grade 1, Week 11. THERE, there. USE, use. AN, EACH, each. JOB, job. MOB, mob. COB, cob. ROB, rob. We have a job for each of you. An owl may rob that nest. There is a corn on the cob. They will use each brick. The mob of fans ran there. It is your job to hold the corn cob. You use an egg in a cake. Did the mob rob the store? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment.